Hi there, and welcome to Emailgistics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our Emailgistics add-in for Microsoft Outlook 365. In your Outlook application, select a message in the mailbox that's been supercharged with Emailgistics, and select your Emailgistics add-in. You will see information will populate in the add-in in 3 different sections. You can pin this so later when you select a message, it populates automatically. The 3 sections are the My Availability section, Message section, and Comment section. In the My Availability section, this has information like your username, the mailboxes you belong to, and allows you to toggle your availability. In the Message section, this will contain the subject of the message, the conversation ID, an assignment option, snooze option, and an archive option. And in the comments section, this is where you can collaborate on messages with your colleagues directly from the Emailgistics add-in. In the My Availability section, you can toggle your availability by selecting the switches here. Once you've set yourself as available, you are ready to work your messages. Your availability will allow messages to route to you via our automatic distribution methods and rules, along with the Assign Customer Reply to Previous Owner feature. In the Message section, you have the option to assign messages to other users within the mailbox. You simply select a message in your folder, select the drop-down, and you can find whoever you would like to assign a message to. Once you've selected a user, click the Assign button right beside the drop-down. The message has now been assigned. If you're working on a message and you would like to snooze it for later, you can select the snooze dropdown and snooze it for a period of time listed here. You can even select a specific snooze time, select a date and a time that you wish to snooze it for. Once you have your time selected, you can hit the snooze option right beside the dropdown. The message you've snoozed will end up in your snoozed folder below. If you wish to unsnooze it at any time, go into the snooze folder, select the message, and simply click unsnooze. Once you've completed working a message, you can archive it directly from the Emailgistics add-in by selecting the message and hitting the archive button below. If you need to make a comment on a message to notify a colleague about an important issue with this message, or you just want to say, I have completed the task, you can simply enter it in the comments section, select the little paper airplane here, and it will show who created the comment, what date, what time, and the comment below. If you assign this to another agent, when they open up the message, they will also see the comment and who made it. Our conversation ID here will allow you to see the conversation history for the message you have selected. There is another video walking you through how to interpret the conversation ID directly from the Emailgistics add-in. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, go to emailgistics.com/support.